everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 1st to the 5th of June 2026 on Monday. Desperate race against the time begins when Zeto's condition suddenly turns critical. All tension explode as the Mabandlas and Sithole collide at the hospital. And while Onga fights to keep his past buried, Azande tightened his grips on Tuesday. As Zeto's life hangs in the balance, old family wounds explode into open war. Portia, Kawe, and Mawetu uncovers the truth about Onga that changes everything they thought they knew. And just when the cows speak, a devastating secret comes out on Wednesday. Zeto wakes up to consequences she can no longer escape. Onga's buried past sends shockwave through the family closest to him. And Ntigi unknowingly moves closer to exposing the real culprit behind Zeto's nightmare on Thursday. Fear forces Zeto into silence even as the truth threatens to destroy everything. Onga's world begins collapsing in public as paranoia and humiliation collide, and just when things seem to calm down, another medical crisis strikes on Friday. As Zeto begins healing emotionally, devastating news changes the stakes completely. Onga is forced to confront a past he can no longer outrun, and Tumega's desperate search for forgiveness ends in rejection. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.